Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. As you can see, I have a very special guest.
Hey guys.
This is the beautiful Malaynah. If you guys don't know her, you guys need to know her because I'm obsessed with her, and I literally DM'd her and I was like, you need to come on my channel because I need to do your makeup. So for those that don't know who she is, do you want to tell them a little bit about yourself?
Yeah. Hey everybody, so I am a rapper / singer. I'm up and coming. If you haven't seen me, make sure you go check out my Instagram. My name is Malaynah, M-A-L-A-Y-N-A-H-H.
So the way that I found her was on Cardi B's page. The reason why I clicked on her video was because of her highlights. I didn't know that, you know, she was a rapper or anything like that. She was like to the side, like mean mugging. And then I was like, dude, what highlight is that? I was like, is Cardi B like launching something? And then I clicked on her video, and then she did a verse with Money.
Yes.
And like insane. I'm gonna just play it for you guys. This is the video. Let's just listen to this really quick.
Prince the producer.
Hey yo, hold up, wait, let me get it straight. A girl with the fake ain't as good as a girl with the brain. Fuck that shit, let me tell you a little something. To be a bad bitch is to worry about nothing. Focus on yourself, only worry about stunning. Get your money up, cause they ain't talking about nothing. Look, last I checked, you don't need a tenuous to prove you the best. And you don't need a big buck, go get a check. You gotta be smart, yeah, different from the rest. Look, my mama told me better, so I know when I'm worth it. If you can't recognize, then I guess you don't deserve. Someone to put you first, tell the damn through the worst. And you out here doing me dirty, you got some nerve. But it's okay, look, what I come to observe, something real ain't the type of love that you prefer. You try to play it cool, but you was breaking a sweat. When you found out my mindset was deep in the sex, it's a threat. I hold it down and never forget. They can't take away my money, so they hate on the rest. And if they hate, and baby, it's because that you blessed. Yeah, get yourself together, don't waste time being stressed. Cut these lame niggas off, leave they asses on red, and prove these whack bitches wrong, leave they asses upset.
Y'all, 18 years old. Like, I cannot. But let me just show you a photo of her. Like, this is exactly what I was talking about. Look at that highlight. And this is what caught my attention. Obviously, like, when I heard her rap, I was like, what highlight? I like stopped paying attention to the highlight because she's so talented. So today I am doing her makeup for her performance. She's performing at Sevilla, and I'm actually also going to be attending. I'm going to be going to support, but I just wanted to have you on my channel because
thank you.
You're so talented, and I was like, I just need to get my hands on that gorgeous face.
Thank you.
We made it happen.
Yes, look at what she did.
Look at that.
Look at what she did. Oh, oh.
They're gonna be blinded tonight.
Yes, I'm so excited.
So you guys, if you want to see how I create this look, then just keep on watching. We're gonna be using the Precising My Brow by Benefit. This is in the shade number 4. She already has beautiful eyebrows, so we're just gonna enhance them just a little bit. So Malaynah is doing a show here in Long Beach, so we're glamming her for that today. We're just gonna fill in her brows. I always like to ask people like how they like their eyebrows because I don't ever like to assume that they like fuller brows,
Right.
or like super dark brows. So I feel like that's really important when you're doing makeup. Have you ever gotten your makeup done and not liked it?
Yes. Oh my god, yes. It was horrible.
Did you cry?
No, I was supposed to do my senior portraits.
That's the worst.
Dude, I was so mad. I looked so cakey, like in like my neck and my face weren't matching. I was so pissed that I didn't even go take my portraits. I just rescheduled.
I feel like you do your makeup pretty good, very natural.
Thank you. I don't like
You don't like a lot,
yeah.
I feel.
I mean, not because like I don't like it, just because I don't know how to do it. So I just keep it like neutral.
Well, what I did notice is that you like a lot of highlights.
Yes, I do. That's like number one question everybody asks.
Do you want to tell them how you started following me? Which I was like kind of in shock right now.
So I started following her because my mom likes, so we followed her like way before any repost or way before anything. And my mom was like, I like this girl, she gets down. I was like, what? Like, you know, she was just stalking you, like going through her phone. So I was like, what? Like, and then she showed me her makeup. I was like, oh shit. She does get down. So I started following you. Were you like surprised when you were gonna follow me and it said follow back?
Follow back, and I was like, wait, hold on.
That's funny.
I mean, obviously, we're in 2 different industries, you know, and I, for the most part, like, I don't like follow a lot of people that are in the rap industry. So when I clicked on it, I was like, wait, hold on, why is she following me? But I thought that was really cool, so of course I started following her back, and then I reposted her, and I was like, oh my god. And then I thought to myself, and I was like, I have to like get my hands on her face because she's so beautiful.
Thank you.
So I was like, I need to do her makeup, and here we are. So right now I'm just cleaning up her brows with my Studio Finish concealer in the shade NW25. Do you do anything to your skin? Like skincare?
Not really. I mean, like,
must be nice to be, what, 18?
Yeah.
You're such a baby. So now I'm just gonna go in and just kind of buff that out. Alright, so her brows are done. Now we're just gonna go ahead and prime her skin with this Tatcha Silk Canvas. So do you usually get nervous when you're on stage?
On stage, no. I think right before I'm gonna go on, like when they're announcing my name, yes, but it's a good nervous.
That's how you know, I feel like, you love what you do.
Right, right.
So we're gonna go ahead and use this Bounce foundation. I'm gonna put her on this because it's so bomb. And I'm using a shade that's a little darker than her actual skin tone because her neck is a little darker. So once I'm done with like the highlighting part and everything else, it's gonna be like a perfect match. Have you ever had your foundation not match?
Oh god, yeah. When people do my makeup, I'm like, what color is that?
And do they ever bring it like back here?
No, I do that. When I put my makeup on, I do that.
That's good. See, at least you know.
Yeah. It's only because I'm like on YouTube watching these things like a million times.
Really? And this foundation is like really, really light, and you can actually
no,
that.
you can feel it.
This is gonna be your new like favorite. So I told her how old I was, and she was so shocked.
Dude, for real, you do not. Oh my god, I just can't. I would have never guessed that.
What would you have guessed?
Honestly, like when I saw you outside, I really was like, oh, she's like 23, 24. I swear to God,
Bless your heart. Because she has a little bit of pigmentation, we're just gonna cover that up. And we're using the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte. You wanna use like a warmer tone concealer to correct that. The look that you chose to is so pretty. I think it's gonna look so good on stage. So for concealer, we're gonna be using the Jouer concealer in the shade Biscotti. And we are gonna pop that like right in the center to kind of give her a really nice highlight. Who's your favorite like rapper?
J. Cole.
J. Cole?
Yeah.
He just released his album, right?
He released a single, yeah.
Or a single, yeah.
Middle Child, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He did, yeah, I love him.
You actually did a verse.
Yeah. I did one on my
remember.
Instagram.
And who would be like your second?
Oh, that's hard. Honestly, I could give you like top 10, but let me see. Oh my god, no.
Top 5.
We'll do top 5. Okay, J. Cole. Tupac.
Oh my god.
Lauren. And
I was actually gonna wear a Tupac shirt.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
You know who like the Outlaws are?
Yeah.
Okay, so my manager is Edie from the Outlaws.
What?
Yeah, Edie.
Oh my god.
Tupac. Let me see. Lauryn Hill. Lil Kim.
Yeah.
Lil Kim goes hard. God, I feel like I'm missing so much. Oh, Nars. Kendrick Lamar.
Kendrick is also really good. So now we're just gonna warm up her skin. I'm using this MAC Studio Finish Concealer. This is the 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer. I really love this concealer to kind of warm up the skin because it's really creamy and it blends into the skin super smooth. What is your favorite part about makeup?
The eyes.
You have such like good eye space. Have they told you that?
Yeah.
I have to make my eyes appear larger. Like I have really small eyes.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, they don't look like it.
It's all the makeup, girl. It's witchcraft. Brujeria. You speak Spanish?
A little bit.
Okay. Have you ever tried rapping in Spanish?
Yeah, that's so funny that you said that. I actually have like a few songs in Spanish. But none of my music is out yet, but it's coming out and it's gonna like shock people.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. I can't wait. It's so insane to hear like someone's story, especially like you starting at such a young age, you know?
Yeah.
I honestly wish I would have started so young. I started my makeup career when I was 25. I already had my son. My priority was him. But I'm so happy that you were able to like start at such a young age.
Thank you, thank you.
I like miss doing makeup so much.
Dude, this feels like so good.
Getting your makeup done?
Mm-hmm.
Are you used to it now?
No, I've only done this like a couple times.
Really?
I can't wait to get used to it though. I think like that's what gives me anxiety before I perform, is having to do my makeup.
Really? 'Cause you don't know.
You don't know what it's gonna look like or how it's gonna come out. You know, you have your good days, have your bad days.
So when you perform, do you always do your makeup?
Yeah.
Do you do it or do you have somebody else do it?
I do it. I think I've only right now, like so far, I've only had my makeup done when I'm shooting, like photos.
Okay.
This is like my first time getting my makeup done for performing.
Oh, okay. What's like your second favorite part of makeup?
Second favorite?
I thought you would say highlight.
No, that's my second favorite. Just because, you know, like as soon as you see somebody, it's like their eyes.
Yeah.
Right? So second would be highlight. Just because I like to glow.
Yeah, girl, you glow. No, when I tell you, I'm gonna insert a photo right here of her photos, because when I tell you, I thought Cardi B was like promoting some type of highlight. I was like,
that's so funny.
How did it feel like having Cardi B?
Dude, it was super crazy. Super crazy.
Did she say anything to you? Did she start following you?
I don't think so, but she reposted it on Twitter and on Instagram.
Wow.
So I was like, oh my god, what the fuck is going on here? But it was like a week after I had posted that on my page. So it was like, you know, I didn't think anything of it. And then I was going to pick up my little sister from school, and I'm coming down the street, and like my phone just starts going off. And I was like, what the hell? Why does everybody want to talk to me right now all of a sudden?
Your manager probably was like...
they were like, what the hell, what the hell? So and then like my tia, the first person to call me was my cousin Cassie. And she calls me and she's like, oh my god, did you see it? Did you see it? And I just start flipping out. And I was in the car by myself. Like I wish I had somebody to hug.
Oh,
I was like, there's nobody to hug.
Oh my god.
It was so much fun though. Everybody started blowing up my phone.
Well deserved. I was like, listen, if everyone can rap like that, it is just like what you said.
Thank you.
Like,
yeah.
I think that's what is super important, because like now nobody raps like that. You know?
Right.
I can respect someone that has morals and values, and it definitely shows when you rap.
That's my mission. Like that's like what I want to be known for, is, you know.
So I just applied a little bit of just a Laura Mercier translucent powder underneath her eyes, just to kind of set everything. Now we're gonna use Cashew by Fenty Beauty. We're gonna apply that all over the face to set everything. And I'm not gonna set everything, I'm just gonna set the areas where I applied the foundation and a little bit over the contour. So we're gonna just apply a little bit of this translucent powder right underneath. So usually what I do is I apply it and then I dust it off. I like to just spray Fix Plus just to kind of break down the powdery finish. So right now I'm just priming her eyes with Jouer concealer. So for her eyes, I'm going to be using the Dominque Cosmetics. This is the Latte palette. So this is the look that she's going for. So we're going to pick up this caramel color. So we're just going to place that in the crease. And I'm using a Morphe M505 brush. And I just like to bring that in just to kind of warm up her crease. And it's always great to have like a really nice base for the transition. She has like such a beautiful eye space, so I'm able to like go in ham. Do you follow like any other makeup artists? No? Just me?
Just you.
Aw. You're gonna call me like, can you do my makeup again? I'm gonna be like, come on.
Let's do this.
All of a sudden I'm gonna become your
makeup artist. That'd be dope.
So we're just gonna pick up this color called Mocha, and we are gonna be using this M506 brush because I want to be a little bit more detailed. And what I do is I always like to lift the brow. It gives me room to kind of move around the eyeshadow and place it exactly where I want it. I don't want to bring this mocha color too high up. So now we're gonna pop on this eyeshadow. This is from Dose of Colors. It's the Block Party eyeshadow in Heart of Gold. And with this eyeshadow, I really like to go in with my finger because it gives the ultimate color payoff. So pretty. All right, so for her eyeliner, I'm gonna be using this Inglot number 77, and we wanna just deepen in that lash line. And we're not doing a wing, we're just gonna keep it very classy to the eye shape. Okay, I've never heard your name before.
Malaynah. I've never actually came across another Malaynah, but
Where did your mom come up with that name?
she got it from a movie named Shaggy, and then she came up with the spelling.
So we're gonna pop on some Lily lashes. These are in the style Makeupbygriselda. And with these lashes, I like to tuck them right underneath her lash line. We're gonna do a little bit of blush, and I'm gonna be using this Makiage Back to Black. Smile for me. Pop that right on the apple of her cheeks. And I really like, especially for stage, I don't like to use too much shimmery blush.
Right.
Because I don't want to make you look oily. Highlight is something different. You'd be mad if I don't pop some highlight on. But I'm leaving that for last. So we're gonna use the Rue Bonaparte. This is from Nars. We're gonna pop that in her waterline. Go ahead and grab a mirror, look up, bring it up like this.
Oh, okay.
Bring your chin down. So you can see me coming.
Oh, okay,
So it's not
gotcha. Makes sense.
Yeah. You don't get scared that something's in your eye. And we're just gonna pick up Caramel, which is the first transition shade that we use to start off with. And this we're gonna connect to the outer corner. And then I'm just gonna use Mocha and Hazelnut to kind of deepen it in just a little bit with a flat synthetic brush. She has such pretty bottom lashes. Look up. We're just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. All right, so for highlights, we are going to pop on my all-time favorite. This is the Hot Damn by Artist Couture. I feel like this was very suitable for her because this is literally what I feel like she wears. It's very gold, very golden. But first what I always like to do is I always like to Spray Fix Plus. But I did mascara on her, so I'm just gonna cover her eyes. Just kind of hit those high points. Alright, so are you ready to
Glow.
turn you to the camera just so they can see how poppin' this is. Turn down just a bit. Look at that. So I like to do, when I do the nose, I like to pop it on, and then with a clean finger, I just kind of go and blend it out. So it's not too much. This makeup look.
Yeah, it looks super, super pretty.
For the lips, I'm using Sweet Tea, and I'm just gonna overline just a little bit. So usually when I do someone that's gonna perform and I know that they are gonna be wearing the lip out, I like to do a liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna be using, this one is from Lawless in the color Cameron. It just lasts a lot longer. And I just go back in with the lip liner to kind of blend it all together. Top it off with this Artist Couture in the shade Climax. You always do your songs or your rapping in the car.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a reason?
Just because I feel that the sound is better in there rather than doing it in a room or outside and just having the beat play. Just the car.
Interesting. I had noticed that.
Yeah.
Has anybody ever
Yeah.
asked you? Okay.
Car speakers are just, I feel like it's better in there.
And I did a pinker undertone because I was gonna do a nude gloss. And I didn't want it to be too nude if I did an actual nude liquid lipstick. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. She looks so good, ready to perform. Yeah. I'm so excited. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I kind of was trying to show you guys what I was using, but I was also really intrigued about her story, so I wanted her to talk to you guys about it as well. You guys have to check her out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this glam. Comment down below if you want to see her back on my channel. Make sure to check her out. I will link everything about her in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video.